Okay guys, let's check today different kind of animations than previously. This time I would like to show you text, multiple text and image animations in Playable Builder and how to use them, what's the difference. So let us use all of them. Let's make them a little bit small so you can actually see all of them compared. Let me first add them and then I will show you uh, different meanings or different ways of how to use them. So let me put the multiple in the middle. Let's put the text animation to the left, and let's also add image effect. That would be the last one. In this case it will be somewhere on the right. Now, text effect is very simple. It's one line of text that you would like to visualize somehow. So let's change font. Let's change that this effect would be called okay. Let's write something longer so you can actually see it. It will be hi, and the font color can be yellow so it's visible on the background. And if you want to see how it looks, basically you just turn on this autoplay. So again, you change some basic things like if it should be just scaling and transparent, or both. How long does the animation take place? So let's do 2 seconds, and let's do 2 seconds hold. So it's mean it will be holding for 2 seconds on in the deployed state. Let's put it this way. You can turn on and off the yo-yo effect, but that's very similar to the others. And some basic fade ins, fade outs. So let's keep this one. Now the difference is that the multiple text effect is very similar, but you can rotate multiple lines of text. So let's say this would be text 1, text 2, and text 3. Let's change the font color to this bluish one, and let's say autoplay. Again, I will choose the same thing, and now as you can see they're autoplaying one by one. So first there was text 1, then text 2, text 3. With this you can create more of them. You can create things like successful or fail messages like yes, go on, great, and so on, and utilize them with different game objects that I will show you. Also some animations, absolutely same settings as the text one. Now image effect is very similar, but to text one, it's basically one image that you can animate absolutely the same way as the text one. So let's say again I will put this to 2 seconds hold and 2 seconds duration, and as you can see it's just an image showing up. Now let's say you want only this, so it can be only transparent and so on and so on. Now what I can do now is I will add some sort of simple game. Let's use my favorite puzzle. I will put it in the back so you can see all the animations. Let me put some image to the puzzle. So the image would be, the image can be our zombie guy from here. And just for me to make it simpler, let me do the puzzle 2 by 2 so I'm not struggling. Now if I connect this puzzle to this effect, so for example every time a tile is moved, change property, let's say text effect, autoplay, fine. Then I can do the same for multiple text effect, autoplay, and I will do the same for the image one. Just you can see them all one by one next to each other, autoplay, multiple image text. Let's now play it. So every time the tile is moved now I made a mistake. So as you can see I left everything as autoplay on, and now it will be waiting for my action in this game object, which is puzzle. So I move a puzzle, I got the animation. I move this one, I got the animation, but the text in the middle is already showing the other animation. So number 2, I move this one. I got same one, but I have got text number 3 here. By this, and now it's going again from text number 1. By this, you can utilize multiple text images that can be shown if something is happening in the builder and so on and so on. So you basically have some sort of nice visuals and nice transitions to your game, or some sort of reward feeling. That's it. The next time we will cover different objects. Ciao, ciao.